Today we're going to show you how to use the QuickConnect fittings on our hydrologic systems. Now all the tubing connections on all of our systems are secure with what's called a QuickConnect fitting. If you go to pull on the dust plugs, you'll notice that they're secure, they're not going anywhere. There's a small piece of plastic inside the QuickConnect fittings called a collet. That's actually what's gripping on to the dust plug. So you got to get your fingers around that collet, hold down against the face of the fitting, and you can pull the dust plug right out. Now it's time to put your tubing in. The small boy comes with two 5-foot pieces of 1/4-inch blue tubing. So when it comes time to set your system up, just push the tubing into the QuickConnect fitting and give it a nice little tug so you know it's secure, and that's it. And when it comes time to service your small boy and you need to remove that tubing, just get your fingers around that collet, hold down against the face of the fitting, and pull back on the tubing. And that's how you operate a QuickConnect fitting. If you have any other questions, feel free to shoot us an email or call the 1-800 number and ask for tech support.